Hello, hello. Welcome to day 11 of my 90-day video challenge. Today I wanted to talk about optimizing your videos. That is something that for those of you who are not aware of what that terminology means, it basically just means making sure that your videos can get found through search. So you need to attach keywords to the videos that you are creating. And hopefully these keywords are going to be the same keywords that your ideal audience, the audience that you're targeting for this video, that they're using when they're searching either on Google or on YouTube. So I just wanted to quickly go over a couple of tools that are available that you can use. There are plenty that are out there. I'm not going to be talking about every single one of them, but I am going to share with you a few that I use. Taja AI is one of the newest ones that I've been using, and it is a tool that you can use either before you upload your video to YouTube, or you can use it after it's already been uploaded. And if you sync it with your YouTube channel, it can optimize your video while it's unlisted on your YouTube channel, and it can create options for titles. Here you can see all of the different titles, and it rates it on a scale of 0 to 100. And so you're going to be selecting the one that's at the very top. I can't swear that this methodology is going to be far superior than, say, for example, any of the other tools, but it at least gives you some kind of an idea. And I do like the fact that Taja is like really simple. It doesn't take a lot of brain cells to figure out what it is that you need to do and how it can help your content. So I do like this. But if you don't like any of these, you can always come up here and click on regenerate. Okay, we got it to unfreeze. So now we have 10 options that are here. This was, I believe, what the original one was. It just does a variation of it. So it's up to you whether you want to ultimately regenerate. But it gives you a title, and then it also crafts a description for you. It even gives you hashtags, and then it also gives you chapters. So you can copy and paste this directly into your YouTube back office, or you can, and let me go down and show you what else it shows. All of these are keyword tags. Anything that's red is not necessarily an optimized keyword tag. So you can, if you wanted, remove that. Greens obviously are good, and yellow or orange are sort of medium, and then red would not be applicable. And then the other shade is gray, and that's if they don't really know whether it's going to have an opinion or an effect, I should say, on your channel or not. So if you like this as it is, you can then come up to where it says publish now, and that will then publish to your YouTube channel. And you can then choose whether you want to have it published live, meaning it's going to go live at that moment, or if you want to publish it as an unlisted or scheduled video. I'm not going to play with this because I've already done what I needed to do with this. In this particular tool, you also can click here where it says you can then create repurposed content. So if you're also looking to be able to pull shorts from your videos, Taja does it all. Taja even does thumbnails. Not necessarily a huge fan, but if you just wanted to get a general idea, you could do it with you in it or without. You can ask it to do either one of those. There are some caveats on what you're able to do if you've uploaded your video manually to Taja, or if you have actually gotten that video directly from it being synced on YouTube. The second tool that I absolutely love, love, love is CastMagic. CastMagic is not visual in the sense that it's not going to do thumbnails and do all of that kind of great stuff, but it does transcribe your video. And then you can ask it through prompts either that they have within the platform already, or you can create additional prompts for you to get specific information. Some of the information you can get are YouTube keywords. So it will go through the transcript and then pull out what they deem as keywords that would make sense for your particular video. It also can give you a description of your video. Depending, I don't know if it's its mood or what, but sometimes it will have time code in here for some of these bullet points. If not, you can go to the time-stamped overview and get your bullet points from there. But the other thing that I really love about CastMagic is that there's a lot of other additional things that you can ask it to do. You can ask it to create a summary. You can ask it to create social media posts, email sequences, blog posts, anything that's text form, you can have this do for you. The other thing that I've added to it is custom thumbnails. So what I will do is I've created a prompt where I will ask it to take the context of that video and give me 3 concepts of what the YouTube video thumbnail should look like. So it will give me a concept number 1, give me a description. It'll even tell me why it would work, the text overlay suggestions, any kind of visual elements and color palettes. And then it will give me a second and then a third one. So that's how I've chosen to use CastMagic. You can truly prompt it to do just about anything that you want. And the last one that I'll go through really quickly is Vidiq. Vidiq and TubeBuddy are 2 old school keyword optimization tools that you can use. So what I love about Vidiq is that it does give you some ideas on how you can create videos based on search terms. You can type in the keywords here, and then it can give you a guesstimation as to whether that's a good keyword term for you or not. Or you can scroll down here and you can see what the keyword opportunities, the top keyword opportunities are. So I tend to do a lot of AI video generated videos, something like how to edit on CapCut or an AI video editor would make sense for me to be able to use. And then based here on my specific channel, this is because of content that I have created in the past, it will let me know what the top search terms are. But if you're just randomly searching to see if the term that you want to use makes sense, you can click it up here. But what I will say in reference to the content that you're going to be creating using Vidiq, it's best if you have a channel that exists so that it can pull the information from your existing channel, and therefore it will then tell you what are the best types of videos or titles of videos that you should be looking at. If you are brand spanking new, Taja and CastMagic are the tools that you need to use. All right. If you want to join me for my video challenge, please just tag me and let me know that you're doing this as well. You don't have to do all 90 days, but just do 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, however many days you can handle. I'd love to support you. And if you are interested in getting a jump start on creating content and you have been apprehensive because you're uncomfortable about being seen on camera, join one of my 3 upcoming workshops that I'm having in September, October, and November. You can visit my link that's either above me or below me so that you can join in on the fun, but you'll be able to get 2 faceless videos created in less than 2 hours. And if you attend any one of these workshops, or if you come to all 3 of them, because I'm doing different tools for each month. So if you want to learn more, definitely visit that link, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.